Topic 2 RBAC, role based access control. So what exactly RBAC is? RBAC is I will come to the definition which is in the PPT, but before that I will explain what is the RBAC. RBAC is the key security feature of the Microsoft by which we can secure all the resources as well as by which we can manage who can access your Azure resource and what they can do with those resources. This is the RBAC by which we can allow user to access their area or we can bound the user which user the user who is accessing the Azure, right? So RBAC help you to the grant permission to user, group and application based on the role in the organization. Now come to the definition what it is here. So RBAC in Azure is a role-based access control in the system that help you to manage who access to Azure resource and what they can do and what the area they can access. Very simple definition is here that RBAC is the help and manage to whom manage the user who is accessing the Azure resource. So the user who is using the accessing or using the resource, we need to manage them that which area he can go and what resource he can use. This is the RBAC. RBAC is authorization system built in the Azure Resource Management or ARM that provide fine-grained access to management of the Azure resource. Same thing here also we have written that the RBAC is the authorization system, right? By which we can manage ARM, Azure Resource Manager, that provide the fine-grained access management of Azure resource. Now I am coming to the some example. Let's say you have a Azure resource subscription within the resource group called that contain virtual machine and storage account. Now you want that you have a three person. One is the Alice, another is the Bob, and third one is Charlie. Right? Alice is developer need to manage only the VM. Right? Person one who is the developer he need to manage the VM only. Person two Bob who is the auditor he have to view everything but not modify means person 2 can view everything but he do not have any right to modify anything but yes he can view anything, right? Charlie who is the admin, now he manage everything, so we have a three type of the person. One is the developer, another is auditor, and third is the admin. Admin have everything, developer have to manage some resource like VM, and Bob have only access to view everything, right? So how we will manage it? So alice is a VM authorization, so for that we will provide him the VM contributor role, right? And Bob he have a only read or view access, so for that we will provide him a reader role. And the Charlie who can do everything, so for that we will provide him a owner role, right? These are the things. Now the point is we will provide all these roles to all three-person, but where we will provide? So Alice is working inside the VM, so we will provide him the VM only for the VM that he can do everything inside the VM. So contributor role provide to the inside the VM only, or for that VM only. Reader role because he have to read everything, so we can provide him the resource group level reader role. Charlie who is the owner, so that person can do anything for all the resource, then we will provide him the subscription scope, right? So these are the scope. Now Ashley can start stop means now we are talking about what he can do. Ashley, so Alice can start stop VM but cannot touch the storage, because storage is different thing. Not this is come inside the VM. So he can do start stop or anything whatever he want to do inside the VM, he can do, but he cannot touch the storage area, right? Because that is another resource, right? Bob can see settings but cannot make change. Means Bob can see everything as well as setting, that what the setting is given to others. He can see, but he will not have a right to manage it, right? Or add it, delete. So this is the Bob and Charlie, who is the admin. He can do everything. So for that, he including the assigning the role as well. Means he can assign the role. So these are the rollback, access control, RBAC. RBAC is only divided in three parts. One is the security principle, means who can access, right? A user, group, service principal, or manage entity. Manage entity, I will discuss what is manage entity, but right now, here you can know that the who can access. This is the part one, security principle. So, in security principle, there is two things. One is the security principle, another is the role definition, right? So, in first security principle, who can access? That is the user, group, service principal, and manage entity. Part two of the RBAC is the role definition. What role we will define, right? So, first is the who comes under user, group, service principal, manage entry. Second is the role definition, what role we will provide him. So role are different type of the roles are there. In the role there is the owner role, contributor role, reader role, right? Virtual machine contributor role. So these are the different types of roles are there, right? So owner have a full access, including assigning role as well. Contributor have full access, not role of the assigning. Remember, here a little bit confusion in owner and contributor, that what contributor can do and what owner can do. So owner can do anything as well as he can assign the role, but contributor cannot assign the role but have the full access of that particular resource, right? Reader is the very simple role, have a only read access. He can go through all the resources, he can see all the setting as well, but he cannot change. That is the reader role. Now VM contributor can manage the VM but not network or storage. That I told you earlier, that if a contributor role we are providing on the specific resource, then in that resource he can do everything, but outside of that resource he cannot do anything. Right. Third one is the scope. Where where means at management level group, or subscription level group, or resource level group, or resource group level, right? So these are the where part of the where. So RBAC are three part: who, what they can do, and third where. So these are the three things, right? Now I am telling you something by which you can understand. This is something I write here. Think about the RBAC in security guard. Security guard, who are you? User or entity. This is the who are you. This is the security principle, right? Second one is the role definition. What is your role? Means what's your badge, right? And third one is where. Where are you allowed to go? So these are the three things, right? This is the RBAC definition and RBAC example and the model of the RBAC in which who, where, and what